Before we dive into the main video, I'm going to tell you that halitosis, known as bad breath, is very common in so many people, and the number one causing of that is poor hygiene.
Your cucumber juice.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and share the video.
Chew your cucumber. Tastes so delicious. Welcome back again. This is Katia Valino. Welcome. If this is your first time, please click on the red subscribe button so that you can become part of this family. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for your time. Today, let us look at the bad breath, including you or me. We all have bad breath at some point in 24 hours. We do, including when we're getting up in the morning because our mouth is closed up. Do you know that people that have diabetes or people who eat a lot of sugar and fruits have mouth odor? Yes, they do. Because the sugar and the excess protein traps between the teeth, making and causing the breath to be smelly and foul. Yes, so stay away from sugar, stay away from excessive carbohydrates. Remember to floss your teeth after you brush your teeth, and also remember to scrape your tongue. Very easy to get rid of bad breath. I am going to show you the simple and easiest and quickest way to get rid of. So the quickest and the easiest way to get rid of bad breath is chewing cucumber. If you can juice cucumber, juice cucumber. Cucumber contains 90% of water, chlorophyll. You can either juice your cucumber like this and drink it, or you can slice up your cucumber and eat your cucumber consistently. You can slice them and carry them in your bag and chew your cucumber every now and then, or you can juice your cucumber and drink them first thing in the morning or last thing before you go to bed. Another alternative is to chew parsley. Yes, parsley. I have also talked about parsley water. I will be leaving a link at the bottom of this video so you can see how you can make your parsley water, or just grab parsley and chew them to help to freshen breath. Or another alternative is to take a baking soda, use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, put it in a glass of water and use that to rinse your mouth after you eat. Yes, baking soda will also help to eliminate bad breath. It's very easy. Go ahead, try your cucumber. It does not only help to solve the bad breath issue, it will help to give you that glowy skin, it will help to debloat you, it will help you lose weight, it will help you go to the bathroom as much often as you can. It's a powerful detox. So go ahead and eat your cucumber, and hey, why not? Remember to subscribe, remember to share this video if this video finds you well. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Au revoir. Love you all. Bye.